Morning student, today we are going to see the image formed due to the concave lens. Image formed due to concave lens. Okay, only two cases we are going to discuss. First case is that if object is at infinity. When the object is at infinity, we know that the ray of light incident parallelly on the mirror, lens, right? So here I say concave lens, focal length f, double focal length which is center of curvature. Okay, the picture is drawn over here. Now let's see. Object is at infinity. Then I told you that sun is at infinity, so the rays are falling on the earth are parallel, right? They are falling in a parallel manner. Similarly over here, the rays incident at this lens parallelly, right? We know that this concave lens acts as a diverging lens. So when the incident ray parallelly falls on the lens, then it diverges the ray after refraction, right? So here we find the refraction. What we find here, as we back produce this refracted ray, they meet here at the focus, okay, which gives us the point of intersection, gives us the position of the image, and the distance of that point from the principal axis gives us the size of image. So here we find that the characteristics of the object is, first characteristics, it is virtual because due to it seems to meet, refracted ray does not actually meet, it seems to meet, so virtual. Second, it is upright. Third one, it is point to diminish, you can see that it is point to diminish. Then last characteristics is position at focus. Okay. Now second case which we are going to discuss is that for any position or for any finite position, I can say finite position means beyond C, on C, between C and F, on F, okay, or optical center, between the optical center and the focus, at anywhere you can take, no problem. So takes again this lens, concave lens, principal section, principal axis, focus at the same distance, optical center and double focus, right? Now say the object is beyond to F, okay? So we take this little larger size object, right? Now say AB. Now at least two rays which are incident on the lens, we need to draw a ray diagram. So one of the ray parallel to principal axis and one of the ray which is passing through the focus falls on the lens, okay, which falls on the lens side. Or for our convenience, we can take the second ray which is passing through. You can take this also, no problem, but it is very simple to understand if one of the ray passing through the optical center we take, right? Then there is no change in path after refraction. Now here this lens acts as a diverging lens, so it diverges and seems to diverge from the focus. So here you get the point of intersection which gives us a formation of the image over here as a dash b dash. So what are the characteristics property of this image form? First, it is upright. Second, it is virtual. Third, diminish. Diminish means smaller than the size of object. And fourth one, between F and O. So, if you change here the position of the object, which is beyond 2F, 2F, between F, 2F and F, then on F, then F and O, all the time you find image will form between F and O. Now, we are going to write inferences according to this discussion. Okay? Let's see that discussion, inferences. What inferences we can take from this discussion? Let's see. First inference is that inference, as the image moves from I can denote it as F to O. Okay, image moves from F to O. F to O के बीच में और F से लेके O तक इमेज क्या होगी? शिफ्ट होगी. इमेज शिफ्ट होगी. कब होगी? ओके, एज ऑब्जेक्ट I can write over here. Object moves toward the lens. लेंस के तरफ ऑब्जेक्ट जैसे आता है वैसे इमेज फोकस टू ऑप्टिकल सेंटर इस साइड में सरकती है. ये पहला पॉइंट है, राइट? फर्स्ट पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट द साइज? हियर साइज इंक्रीजेस. ये बढ़ती जाएगी, साइज थोड़ी 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 बढ़ेगी, बट ऑलवेज स्मॉलर, ऑलवेज स्मॉलर देन ऑब्जेक्ट. स्मॉलर देन ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगी, हमेशा ही स्मॉलर देन ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगी, नो डाउट. ओके, so this is the inference that you have to keep in mind. Means when the object is at infinity, that time it is on the focus. Okay, when the object is beyond 2f, okay, beyond the 2f, on the 2f, okay, at that time what do you find? As the image object moves toward the lens, यहाँ पे lens के तरफ जैसे object आता है, okay, the image moves from focus to object. तो ये focus से लेके object तक इमेज भी शिफ्ट होगी. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, द साइज ऑफ द इमेज इंक्रीजेस एज इट मूव ऑब्जेक्ट मूव टुवर्ड द लेंस. नेक्स्ट इज डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन कॉन्केव एंड कॉन्वेक्स. नाउ वी नो दैट इन केस ऑफ कॉन्केव वी फाइंड दैट इमेज कैन बी रियल एज वेल एज वर्चुअल. क्योंकि 5 केसेस जो हमने डिस्कस किए थे, उस 5 केसेस में हमने देखा है कि पहला है वो रियल भी आती है और वर्चुअल भी आती है. वर्चुअल दोनों टाइप के इमेजेस फॉर्म होते हैं इन केस ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स. एंड इन केस ऑफ कॉन्केव वी फाइंड दैट ओनली वर्चुअल इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड, राइट? इन द 5 केसेस वी फाइंड रियल. 5 केसेस में रियल मिलती है एंड इन द 6th केस यू फाइंड वर्चुअल. ओके, 5 केसेस में रियल मिलती है, 6 केस में वर्चुअल हो जाती है. कॉन्केव में हमेशा वर्चुअल मिलती है. सेकेंड पॉइंट, साइज इज डिमिनिश होगी. दूसरा सेम साइज होगा. तीसरा एनलार्ज होगा. यानी तीनों की केसेस हमने देखी है. ओके, एनलार्ज. एंड इन कॉन्केव व्हाट वी हैव सीन, ऑलवेज डिमिनिश. साइज हमेशा ही डिमिनिश रहेगी. ओके, साइज ऑलवेज डिमिनिश. एंड थर्ड पॉइंट, it is inverted for 5 positions. 5 पोजीशन के लिए inverted होती है. for sixth position I am saying, it is upright, okay, behind the mirror. But in this case, what do you find? Always upright, always upright, okay. So these are the point which are differentiating point between the convex and concave lens. Now next topic which we are going to study is linear magnification. Okay, let's first see about the lens formula. Lens formula. Okay, now I draw here a diagram for the convex. Say this as O, this as F, and this as say 2F. Then if I say this as object, then this distance I can say, okay, as a distance of object, which we denote by U, okay. Then image will be formed over here, say, then this is the distance V, okay, that is nothing but distance of image from optical center, and this is the focal length F. इसको हम F से डिनोट करेंगे, that is the focal length. On the basis of this, the lens formula is framed, that is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Okay, so this formula you have to keep in mind to solve the problems, okay, based on this lens formula. Second thing is a sign conventions. We can see sign conventions. So take an example of convex lens, optical center, focus. So this distance is nothing but a focus F, which is negative because this side axis को एक्सिस जो होती है, तो यहाँ पे ओरिजिन होती है, दिस साइड माइनस नंबर, दिस साइड प्लस नंबर, अप साइड प्लस नंबर एंड डाउन साइड माइनस नंबर, राइट. So on the basis of this coordinate axis system, I can say you that this focal length is minus over here. Now then if I say here is the object, okay, let me draw this side, you can't see them. Here I take lens, optical center, focus and 2F, and now it is over here. Now can you see? Okay. So this is the distance of the object, okay, and this distance of the object is denoted by U, which is negative at this side because I take this as axis. इसको एक्सिस कह दूंगा, ये y एक्सिस हो गया, ये x एक्सिस हो गया, उस साइड में क्या होता है नेगेटिव, सो नेगेटिव यू हो गया. दिस इज नथिंग बट अ फोकल लेंथ F, राइट, एंड वेर एवर द इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड, से दिस साइड, सो दैट इज नथिंग बट अ V, ओके, ये हो गया इमेज, राइट. सो दिस इज पॉजिटिव साइन कन्वेंशन, अंडरस्टूड. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस coordinate axis you can keep in mind the signs for the distance of object, rather distance of image form or a focal length, right? Now let's see note we can write. So note, first note is that for a real image and for a real image or second, U is equal to, for a real image you can say U, V as well as F value, okay, or rather I can say for convex and concave, that is better, convex and second for concave, that is better. So for a convex lens, the value of the U, value of the V and value of the F, that we are going to discuss, right? And for the concave lens, what will be the U, V and F? So for the concave you see it is minus U, it is minus V, it is minus F. ओके सभी माइनस होगा किसके लिए कॉन्केव के लिए. एंड फॉर द कॉन्वेक्स यू सी U as a minus, okay, F as a plus and this V as also a plus. V means here, okay. Only U is negative for the convex lens, but for the concave you find all are negative, okay. So this is the first note. Now let's discuss about linear magnification. Linear magnification. What is linear magnification? M is equal to I by O. इसका मतलब ये होगा कि कितने गुना उसको मैग्नीफाई किया गया, राइट, या तो कितने गुना वो छोटा हुआ, मीन्स बाय हाउ मच परसेंटेज इट गेट इंक्रीज्ड और डिक्रीज. सो दैट इज I by O, or also you can write V by U. Now note, first note is that for a real image, what is our magnification? M is negative. Real image के लिए negative होगा. Second, for virtual image, M is positive. वर्चुअल इमेज के लिए M होगा पॉजिटिव. ओके, नाउ वैल्यू और कैसे होगी? M मैग्निफिकेशन इज ग्रेटर देन 1. मैग्निफिकेशन एक ग्रेटर देन 1 होगा इफ इमेज इज मैग्निफाइड. इमेज मैं ऊपर इमेज नाम देता हूं और यहां पे लिख सकता हूं मैग्निफाइड. मैग्निफाइड होगा तो M is equal to 1 if same size image. M is lesser than 1 if image is smaller, right? So on the basis of the size of the image you can find out whether the M value is greater than 1, equal to 1 or lesser than 1. So if the image form is magnified 1, M is greater than 1. If image is of same size, M is equal to 1. And if image is smaller than the object, then we can say M is lesser than 1. Okay. Next topic. Next topic is power of lens. What is power? Power is nothing but the deviation of the incident ray after refraction. Deviation of incident ray after refraction. After रिफ्रैक्शन. रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद में, ओके, यानी डेविएशन जो होता है रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद में, यानी डेविएट होना मीन्स अपने मार्ग से भटक जाना, राइट. तो रे इस तरीके से जानी चाहिए थे बट ये डेविएट हो गया. सो ये जो डेविएशन है दैट इज नथिंग बट डेल्टा. ओके, सो दैट डेविएशन ऑफ द इंसिडेंट रे आफ्टर द रिफ्रैक्शन इज measure of its power. इसको ही हम करेंगे पार. इट इज अ मेजर ऑफ इट्स पार. पार को मेजर करने के लिए हमें उसका डेविएशन ढूंढना पड़ेगा, कितना डेविएट हो रही है, राइट. यूनिट इज डायरेक्टर. इसका ऐसा यूनिट है पार का, डायरेक्टर. ओके, DIO PTR. And it is denoted by D. Okay. Now what is formula for power? Power of lens is nothing but 1 upon focal length. Right? 1 upon focal length. And that power is in D means diopter, which is 1 upon focal length, which is in meter. So this way you can keep this topic in mind about the power of the lens. Next is now let's say note power of concave lens negative, power of convex lens is positive. These two topics you have to keep in mind. Okay, power of concave lens negative and power of convex lens is positive. Okay, so that's it in this exercise. Remaining topic we will see in the next period, and numericals also we will solve. Let me see that whether it is included in the syllabus or not. Okay, thank you.